In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve a few different issues that occur when you're unable to access your security camera system's web interface, remotely view it using the iPhone or Android smartphone app, or access it using the PC software. There's a setting in the security page, or sometimes the network settings of our security camera recorders, that is called the firewall, allow list, block list, IP blacklist, or IP filter. When that setting is enabled by accident, or when a customer is playing around with their settings, that is what will lock them out of their remote viewing capabilities, the web interface, and then also the PC software. In order to resolve this, you're first going to need to log into the admin user by right-clicking and clicking the main menu, putting in the graphical user password, clicking on the security setting menu. After arriving to the security tab, we'll be on the security status page. In order to disable the blacklist or firewall setting, we will need to go to the attack defense tab. And then this firewall setting, otherwise known as IP blacklist or IP filter setting, must be disabled in order for you to fix the lockout. So I'm going to disable that and click apply. Now this will allow me to access the web interface of my security camera system again, remotely view it using my iPhone, or view it using my PC software. Hopefully this video helps you disable the IP filter or blacklist setting on your security camera system. Thank you for watching.